Welcome to Spoken English Without Fear. In today's episode, you'll learn one of the most powerful skills for fluent English, how to think in English instead of translating from your native language. Through a simple and inspiring conversation between Alex and Emily, you'll understand how to train your mind to think directly in English, speak naturally, and stop hesitation forever. So listen carefully and let's begin.
Emily, can I tell you something? I feel like I'll never be fluent in English.
Why do you think that, Alex? You've been practicing every day.
Yes, but still, whenever I speak, I have to first think in my own language, then translate it into English. By the time I finish translating, my mind just freezes.
That's the problem. You're translating in your head. You'll never sound fluent that way.
But how can I stop it? My brain automatically translates everything.
That's because you've trained your mind that way. Don't worry, you can retrain it to think in English directly. It just needs practice and the right methods.
Retrain my mind. How do I do that?
Start small. Every morning, try to describe your surroundings in English. For example, when you wake up, think, "It's a bright morning," or "I'm feeling sleepy, but I have to get ready." No need to speak loudly, just think in English. The more you do this, the more your mind begins to accept English as a natural language.
So basically, I should think about daily things in English.
Exactly. When you eat, think, "This food tastes good." When you walk, think, "The weather is nice today." These small thoughts build your English thinking habit.
Okay, but what if I can't find the right English words while thinking?
That's normal. Don't stop thinking. Just use simple words or even mix your language at first. If you forget a word, use another word to explain it. For example, if you forget the word bottle, say the thing we use for water. Your goal is to keep the thought in English, not to be perfect.
That sounds easier than forcing translation every time.
Exactly. When you translate, your brain wastes time finding exact words. But when you describe things directly in English, your mind becomes faster.
I also struggle when listening to English movies. I always try to translate the sentences in my head.
That's a big mistake. Instead of translating, just listen and understand the meaning from context. For example, if someone says, "I'm starving," you don't have to translate it word by word. Just understand that it means, "I'm very hungry." When you train your brain to catch meaning instead of words, you stop depending on translation.
So basically, I should focus on understanding, not on translating.
Exactly. That's how you train your listening mind in English.
That's interesting, but how can I practice more? Sometimes I run out of things to think about.
Then make up short stories in your mind in English. For example, yesterday I went to the park. I saw a cute dog. It started running after a ball. It doesn't have to be real, just simple, short, and in English. This trains your imagination to think in English.
I like that idea. It sounds fun.
Yes, and the best part is no one will judge you. You can do it silently anywhere, while walking, cooking, or even waiting for a bus.
Sometimes when someone asks me something in English, I understand it, but I reply in my own language. My mind takes time to switch.
That's okay. Start practicing short reactions in English, like, "Really? That's great. I see." Or, "Oh no." These short emotional responses help your brain switch faster into English thinking.
Oh, like how we react naturally in our own language.
Exactly. Make your mind do the same in English. Soon, you'll start replying in English automatically without translation.
This all sounds great, but it seems like it'll take a lot of time.
It does, but that's okay. Remember, confidence and fluency are not magic. They're habits. every small English thought you have builds a stronger English mind.
You're right. From today, I'll start thinking in English, even if it's just for a few minutes a day.
That's the spirit. The more you think in English, the less you'll translate, and the more confident you'll become.
Thanks, Emily. You always make things sound so easy and clear.
Because English is not about rules, it's about practice and mindset. So stop translating and start living your day in English.
I will. From now on, I'll train my mind to think in English and speak without fear.
And that's how you can train your mind to think in English, just like Alex and Emily. Remember, don't translate. Think in simple English. Speak naturally. Confidence comes when English becomes your way of thinking, not just a language you study. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Spoken English Without Fear, where we help you speak English confidently, fluently, and fearlessly.